A lot of snow piling up there. And if you're traveling, well, kind of a best case scenario down in the valleys, it's mainly going to be coming down as rain. And that ahead of the approaching storms, beautiful view of from the Natural History Museum camera of downtown Salt Lake. We've got good air quality, and you can tell this morning. Temperature in Salt Lake is fairly mild. It's 37. It's in the mid-20s though in Park City. 19 in Kemmerer, Wyoming, just below freezing in Green River at 31, and in St. George, same temperatures in Salt Lake. It's 37. Now, clouds have moved in across much of the state, giving us a little bit of insulation overnight, keeping it from getting as cold as it otherwise would have. But you can see some of those showers are filling into northwest Utah and some popping up along the Wasatch Front. Mainly high base precipitation at this point, with just some sprinkles and flurries reaching the ground. But by 8 or 9 o'clock, it looks like those showers have become a lot more likely. In fact, we'll start out with a mix of rain and snow in the Salt Lake Valley, but it'll be warming up pretty quickly. We'll climb into the mid-40s and it'll change over mainly to rain as we head into the afternoon. Rain and snow showers will be most widespread over northern Utah. Some will pop up into central Utah with a chance of some minor accumulations, but the farther south you go, the more spotty that precipitation will be, and then heading into the afternoon, it'll become partly cloudy. St. George, your temperature will climb to 55. In fact, you can see the progression today. We'll get those showers becoming widespread even by lunchtime, possibly becoming heavy at times. But again, the bulk of what we get should be north of I-70, and then by later this evening, those would be tapering off, although more than likely not until after the evening commute. This is a general idea of how much snow might actually be piling up. A lot of the valleys over northern and possibly down into central Utah could end up with an inch or so. More than likely less than that in the Salt Lake Valley. We're going to get shadowed by the mountains, so our accumulation will be pretty light. But the benches could have 2 to 4 inches. Same thing in northwest Utah. There might be several inches along the Wasatch back, which could slow things down. And up in the mountains, 6 to 12 inches for the central mountains, 4 to 7 in the south. The Wasatch, western Uintas, Wasatch Plateau might get 8 to 16 inches of snow just today, and then another 8 to 16 inches tomorrow. So it is really going to be piling up there. But the farther south you are, the better it's going to look if you're traveling over the next few days. In fact, it'll be partly cloudy in St. George tomorrow, sunny and near 60 by Sunday, and then you'll hang on to sunshine heading into New Year's, but by then you'll be cooling off a little bit and dropping near 50 degrees. And in Salt Lake City, the next couple of days, as the storms trend a little warmer, snow levels rise, and will mainly be getting rain in the valleys. They won't be as steady on Sunday, but still possible. They'll change over to a chance of snow showers by Monday morning, but they won't last very long. By Tuesday, we'll be drying out, but behind the storms, it gets a lot colder. High temperature of 37 on Tuesday, morning temperatures down into the low 20s, so pretty chilly to ring in the new year on Wednesday.